Kimray's LPHV valve is specifically designed for erosive applications. While the valve body can last decades in production, the internals need to be replaced and maintained. In a previous video, we covered how to complete a full repair of the LPHV while using a Kimray repair kit. Many of the components replaced are part of a plug assembly. As an alternative to a complete repair, you could quickly install a replacement plug assembly. This also makes converting of an existing valve to a full or reduced port valve much faster and easier. In this video, we'll be showing the conversion of a 2-inch reduced port LPHV to a full port trim size. The process of replacing trim size plug assemblies can be done in line, though if the valve has been in service, you will most likely need to use a full repair kit. If your valve is not in service, start by clamping the body securely in a vise. Using an adjustable wrench, back out the upper adjusting screw. You do not need to take this all the way off, just enough to relieve spring tension. Remove the coupling block with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to remove the 4 bolts from the yoke base. Remove the actuator top and set it aside. Use a 9/16 wrench to remove the stuffing bonnet bolts. Use 1 or 2 flathead screwdrivers and a mallet to pry off the stuffing bonnet assembly and piston assembly from the valve body. If you can't pry off the stuffing bonnet, try reinstalling 2 of the 1/2-inch bolts into the bonnet and use 2 screwdrivers for leverage to twist the bonnet loose. Then you can pry it off with screwdrivers once it has been loosened. Using the Kimray seat removal tool and a 1-inch socket and extension, remove the seat and gasket. If this is a new valve, these can be saved for another use or application. If it's been used, these can be discarded. Grease the gasket of the new seat or the seating surface inside the valve. Tighten the removable seat and gasket into the body. Remove the valve body and place the stuffing bonnet upside down in the vise. Use large channel locks on the flats to unthread the cylinder from the stuffing bonnet. If this is a new valve, this can be saved for another use or application. If it's been used, these can be discarded. Be sure to leave the O-ring on the bonnet. This is not included in the plug assembly. This is as far as we need to disassemble the valve for changing trim sizes. Thread in the new plug assembly by hand and tighten with channel locks. Put the valve body back into the vise. Grease both O-rings on the assembly. Insert the assembly into the body, aligning the bolt holes. While bracing one side, use a rubber mallet to gently tap it into place evenly. Replace the 6 bonnet bolts. If the actuator is in the fail open position, you'll need to first pull up on the stem to make attaching the coupling block easier. Place the actuator on top and hand start the 4 bolts. Attach the coupling block with the new position tag from the plug assembly stating the new size. Fully tighten the bolts. Fully tighten the adjusting screw. This concludes the conversion process. If you have any questions about the parts we used or repair kits, please contact your local Kimray store or authorized distributor.